Cleaning the milk container after use. Set dial to clean flashes on the display each time you use a milk function. To eliminate all milk residues, proceed as follows. Leave the milk container in the machine. You do not need to empty it. Place a cup or other recipient under the frothed milk spout. Turn the froth adjustment dial to clean. Cleaning underway, please wait is displayed, together with a progress bar, which gradually fills as the operation proceeds. Cleaning stops automatically. Turn the dial back to one of the froth selections. Remove the milk container and always clean the steam nozzle with a sponge. To prepare a number of cappuccinos and milk-based coffees, clean the milk container after you have prepared the last drink only. The milk container can be kept in the refrigerator.